Hello everyone, welcome to Titan Turtles Club. This is Xinle. We'll continue hide series. Today we'll talk about how to hide a process in Linux system. So let's open a Linux environment. And first we need to turn on two terminals. All right. So we have two terminals and one terminal, let's change the user to rabbit. The other one keep it as a turtle. All right, now this one on the left hand side we're using the rabbit as a user, and on the right hand side we're still using the turtle as a user. Yeah, okay. Let me. All right. So and first let's take a look at the menu page of the process. So man proc. All right. So if you scroll down a little bit, you can see that there's an option for the process, which is called hidepid equals n. So one is a 0. Everybody may access all the /proc/pid directories. So there's a one information about this directory is every process in the Linux system or will have a folder here in the /proc/pid directories. If the hide PID is a 0, everybody can access to all the directories here. If the hide PID equals to 1, users cannot access files or directories that's not owned by themselves. And if this value is changed to 2, the user cannot even see it if it's not belong to themselves. All right, so let's take a look how we can use it. So normally how the process works is you can take a look at the mount, grab the proc. As you can see, this is how the process folder is mounted here. So we will remount it. How do we do it? First, we'll need to sudo into the super user. All right, so let's do mount options. We will remount it because it's already mounted. So we will keep all the same settings. Nothing else will be changed. RW no SUID no dev no exec and rela time. Okay, and we will add one hide PID equals to 2 and /proc. All right, now let's take a look at grab proc. Okay, so you can see that there's a one more option added here, hide PID equals invisible. All right, so now let's do something. So what do I do is uh, first I'll exit from the root. I will do SSH turtle at localhost. So meaning that I'm SSH into my local machine. Yeah. All right. So uh, now if uh, now if you do something normal when people want to take a look at what are the process running around, we use ps aux and grab. For example, if we want to take a look at whether there's a SSH, yeah, we can see that it's here because we are turtle user. But over here, if we do the same ps aux grab SSH using the rabbit user, we won't be able to see it because it's not visible to the rabbit user. All right, so this is how we can hide the um, process from other users. There's one thing over here is when the system reboot, we will still see the process because this mount is not a permanent. What we can do is we can sudo and vi into the file /etc/fstab. Bottom we can add a line proc tab /proc tab proc again tab defaults no SUID no DV no exec rela time hide PID equals to 2 and 0 and 0. Okay, then we save it. Now, even if we reboot the computer, other users cannot see process from your users. Even if the system reboot, uh, a regular user cannot see any process that doesn't belong to them. This is how we can hide process from other users. Now let's take a look at how we can change it back to the normal. First, let's change back this file, fstab. Okay, very simple. We just remove this line and save it. And also, we need to sudo mount again, O, and let's say remount rw and no suid, no dv, no exec, rela time, and we change the hide PID equals to 0 and to the slash proc. And now when you take a look at the um, proc proc mount, you will see that the hide PID is disappeared because it's a normal settings. And then we can take a look at the PSAUX pipeline into grep SSH again. You can see that you can see other processes. And if we do SSH turtle at localhost again, right? If you run the process again, from reading the process again from the Rabbit user, you now you can see the SSH process over here. Next time, we'll talk about how to hide process even from the root user. Hope you enjoy it. Thank you, everyone. And this is Titan Turtles Club. Remember to subscribe and also remember to hit the bell button on the top right corner so that every time we post a new video, you'll be notified. Thank you so much and see you next time.